Hey everyone, welcome to Liberty Security here in California. Today we are showing off a true heavyweight in our NVR lineup, the L3NVR6416POE. Like all of our Liberty NVR products, the L3NVR6416POE is NDAA compliant as well as ONVIF compatible and supports AI for human and vehicle detection as well as facial recognition when used with Liberty IP cameras. This network video recorder can handle up to 12 megapixel recording, and as the part number suggests, 64 total cameras can be supported. Populating cameras can be done by either utilizing the 16 built-in PoE ports on the recorder or adding PoE switches to the dedicated camera LAN port for all 64 cameras. Whether using built-in PoE or ganging up switches, all Liberty cameras will be plug and play. Storage-wise, this thing is a beast. 8 hard drive bays supporting up to 14 terabytes each, totaling 112 terabytes. You also get 2 HDMIs and a VGA video output, perfect for running a multiple display setup. Mobile remote access is handled with Liberty's app, Liberty View, for iOS and Android. We also offer Liberty View CMS for Mac and Windows devices as well. The setup is P2P or peer-to-peer, which basically means you can scan a QR code, enter user input credentials, and boom, you're done. Live video on your phone. An advanced feature baked into Liberty's larger models such as the 32 and 64 channel recorders is camera dewarping. If you're using one of our 360 degree or dual sensor 180 degree cameras, the L3NVR6416POE can dewarp the video for proper viewing directly from the recorder. If you have any questions regarding Liberty security products, feel free to send us an email at securitysupport@libertyonline.com.